Welcome to Math Mantra. Welcome to Class 10. In today's class, we are going to learn about the basics. Basics are nothing but which you have learned in your previous classes. Okay, so always remember, in order to do math, you must have very strong basics. I strongly believe that yes, you all have it, but still we have to recall few things. Then only we can be perfect in math. I strongly believe that with a lot of fun we have to learn math. If you know the logics, if you know the methods, math is going to be very easy. So please come, let us have a lot of fun and learn it. Here are the chicks. Yeah, interesting. X. Again chicks. X. Okay, what we are going to do with them? Is this any drawing class or math class? Of course, I strongly say everywhere, wherever you go, you can have math. Yeah, here is the question. How many total number of chicks are there? How many total number of chicks are there? Here 5 chicks are there, here 5 chicks are there. So how many total number? 10. See, when I say how many total number of chicks are there, your vision went here and probably it would have reached here, but not here. Why? Please question yourself. Why? Because they have asked us chicks, not the total number of chicks and eggs, right? So we are adding the things which belongs to same category. Remember this point. We are adding the things belongs to same category. Okay, let's see what would be the answer. Yes, this is 10 because here 5 are there and here 5 are there, totally 10. What will be the next question? It seems to be very easy, but basics always it will be very easy. How many total number of eggs are there? You may feel that why so easy question she's asking. Yes, this easy question is gonna play an important role. So here how many eggs are there? 6 and here 6. So totally how many? 12 eggs are there. Which is more in count by how much? Which is more in count? By saying only we can say which is more in count. X. By how much? What are you going to do when I say by how much? Have a 1 minute, you just think of it. 1 minute don't require 10 seconds, you just think of it. So you might be thinking, can I guess what you might be thinking? From this 12 to subtract 10. Am I right? Eggs are more than chicks? Here is the answer. Yes, what you were thinking is exactly correct. Awesome. See, while watching this video, have some patience without skipping, without forwarding. If you watch along with me, you are going to have fun and learn. Maximum of 15 minutes you can spend with this video, but trust me, you are going to learn the basics very thoroughly in this 15 minutes. Okay, what is the thing we have learned here? We have added same category things. And when I asked by how much, which is more in count by how much, you have subtracted from 12 the 10. Okay, here what we are doing, the same category things will be added. So we are going to apply it in our mathematics now. So let us take the numbers. Numbers with the same sign will be added and different sign will be subtracted. Very, very, very important. Throughout this session, this sentence plays an important role. So let's see how we are going to apply it. Remember, numbers with same sign will be added, different sign will be subtracted. How we are going to make use of it? Operations with positive and negative numbers. Here I use positive and negative numbers. Obviously we know what is positive sign. It is plus and the negative sign is minus. So let's solve few questions in order to make use of that sentence right now. Okay, here is a question, a very, very, very easy question. So they have given 34 plus 56 plus 102 plus 109 plus 208. So I will teach you a easy tip in order to add them. You don't need to have your calculator, you don't need to have your pen and paper in order to calculate this sum. I'll teach you how you can add it in easy way. So always remember, this is ones place, right? In each and every number when you take, these are the ones place. Okay, in ones place if you add two numbers, make sure that you are going to get 0. That combination you have to club. See, suppose for example here 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, 10, which means that in ones place we are going to get 0. And here 2 is here, with 9 if you add it will be 11. No, here 8 and 2 will be 10. Yes, let me club these two numbers and these two numbers, let me add it later. So later on you will be getting why I am teaching this sum. Okay, and here is a tip I have taught you. What you have to do when you add two numbers, make sure that in ones place you will get 0, so that the calculation will be very easy. See, this is how I have clubbed. I have clubbed 34 plus 56 and 102 plus 208 plus 109. Let me have it here. Say, yeah, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry here. So 0 we kept. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 90, dead easy. Plus 2 plus 8 is 10. So upon 0 that carry will come here. 0 came. And 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 310 plus 109. So quick calculation. 310 plus 90, how much? 400. 400 plus 109, 509. Such a easy calculation. You don't need to have your book. If you have practice like this, so trust me, your addition it's gonna be very, very easy. So when you go to higher classes, like when you go to PUC level and all, they won't allow you to use the calculators. In competitive exams especially, normal calculator also they'll not allow. So in that cases, if you know such kind of addition, subtraction and all, it will be very useful to you. So now, yeah, see here, this is what I wanted to say. Here all the numbers it's having positive sign, so I have added. So now here I have all the numbers with negatives, and what we are going to do with that? Are we going to do any subtraction? So when you see the negative number, the first thing it will come to your mind to subtract. No, I said same category things will be added. Remember, this is what I said. Same category things will be added here. Same category numbers, I say minus, I mean to say negative numbers, all are negative numbers. So we just have to add all of them. Let's see how we are going to proceed with them. See here also I'm playing the same trick. So in ones place 7 and 3, Yes, I'm gonna clap these both. And here, okay, 390 and 810. Okay, when I add them, I'm gonna have in one sentence places zeros, because in tens place, if I see here 9 and 1, this is how our mind should work while doing the mathematics. Okay, and here is the number 1009. So let's see what will be the answer now. So when we add these two, 3 plus 7 will be 10. 1 carry over here, and here is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So minus 90. And here, see here already 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12, which means that 1200. And always remember, please don't think about that multiplication rule, minus into minus is equals to plus and all. Please don't think about it. It is extremely different, because here we are going to perform the addition and subtraction. And always remember, same sign if you have to add all of them, and finally sign what you have to keep, I will teach you. Okay, see here, when I have added, I'm using same sign. I'm not gonna put plus here, it is minus only. Okay, in the case of addition subtraction, the sign will not change. And here also 1200 and 1009. So when I add all together, I get 2299. Of course, the sign must be minus only. Okay, please go through this sum, because most of the students will get a lot of confusion whether to put plus or minus. Always minus you need to keep when you have all the numbers with minus sign. So okay, here all the signs were plus, here all the signs were minus. What if we have both the signs together in one problem? Something like this. How you are going to solve them? See, remember always, here with same sign you have added everything, here with same sign you have added everything, and you kept the sign minus. Remember this point, and we'll see further. This is what the question we got. So what we are doing here, the numbers with different signs. Okay, no problem. Here what we are going to do is, we are going to club the numbers with same sign. See, here I have clubbed 34, 66, 73, 74 of plus sign together, and the minus signs numbers together I have clubbed. And here I have added all the plus signs over here, and I have added all the minus signs over here. I got 247 minus 868. Here you may think, how we can subtract? This is greater number, this is smaller number. You don't need to think of it. Whenever you get such kind of thing, this is with plus, this is with minus. In very first slide I have taught you the numbers with the different sign will be subtracted. So here, irrespective with the sign, what you have to do, you just forget that you have minus over here, and you just take this 868 from this number, you subtract 247, you will get 621 as answer. And always remember, irrespective with the sign, when you compare these two numbers, you should not consider the sign. When you compare these two numbers finally, so this is greater number, no? So greater number sign will be followed by the answer. So whatever the answer you get after subtracting this number from this, whatever the sign you get, that sign need to be kept in front of the answer. Always remember this point. So same number with different sign will give answer as 0. So how it gonna work? Okay, here is the question. Minus 48 minus 72 plus 48 plus 78 minus 64 plus 64. So same number with different sign. So same number with different sign. It will give us 0 it seems. Let us see now. Let us club. Minus 48 plus 48, minus 64 plus 64, minus 72 plus 78. When we club them, yes, see, it will get cancelled. Okay, so this is very important point. Same number with different sign, it will give us 0. Same number with different sign, 0. And here 78 is there. This 78 can be split as 72 plus 6. So minus 72 plus 72, it will give us 0. And ultimate answer will be 6. Next question, we have a huge question. These two questions you try to solve. Club the positive numbers together, club the negative numbers together, and you have to follow these steps. Compare the two numbers. See how I have added here plus numbers together and negative numbers together. How I have added and kept the sign. In same way you just do it. You just add them and keep the answer. Finally, what you have to do, compare the two numbers irrespective of the sign, subtract the smaller number from the greater one, and keep the sign of the greater number for the obtained answer. This is what I have told you here. So you have to add separately along with the sign. Later, irrespective with the sign, you have to compare last obtained two numbers. Then from the greater number you have to subtract the smaller number and the answer will follow the greater number sign. You would want to see the answer. If you get the answer which I am going to display, trust me, you are perfect in this addition and subtraction. For question E, this is what the answer you need to get. For question F, 306 will be the answer. Okay, if you get same answer, trust me, you are going to be rock. So multiplication rules for next class I am giving you all, that is plus into plus is equals to plus, plus into minus is equals to minus, minus into plus is equals to minus, minus into minus is equals to plus. Okay, so these things please don't confuse with the addition, subtraction and multiplication. This is for next class. Okay, and till last slide what I had taught you, please follow till there. Don't apply this one, forget about it as of now. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos. I'll be sharing 10 standard videos too in this channel. So please subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tipani Gari Radha. Thank you so much.